Hello everybody, my name is Sam, I am the Ecstatic Engineer, and I'd like to apologize because this video does not have face cam. Anyway, we are going to finish up the project review. I already did it, and I want to show off the CSS. This is what makes all this look nice, with the orange background and the buttons in the center, with the this being a drop-down menu, and this border and the orange behind the black lettering. All of this is done through the CSS code right here. Now I'm not going to go through all of this because it's a lot of different things, but I'll go through a lot of the important stuff. So the first thing to know is this first thing here is what it's referring to. So this is referring to the body. This is the nav and unordered list. So if it's two things with just a space in between, no comma or anything, it's going to be an image inside anything with dot that the class is header. And then if there's a comma in here, I'm not sure if I have anything with a comma, but if there is a comma, that means applies all this to both of those things. So that's just a bit of background. So we're just going to start at body. This is the main thing, and it just sets the background color to this. This is gray. Then we have the dot header image. So any images in the header. So this floats it to the left. It sets the width to 100 pixels, the height to 100 pixels. I think, yeah, that was supposed to be like that. Hang on a moment. Whatever. Just move this back up here. And then the background color to Alright, hang on a moment. Alright, well, I made a fix. The background color is supposed to be nothing. Now it's nothing. So let me do fixes here. I don't know why that was there. Anyway, we're going to go over to this one. This, I don't know what it does. Honestly, don't know what that does. Alright, this sets the margin all around, I guess, 0 pixels. Padding, I don't know what padding is, but 0 pixels. I just copied a lot of this, I'll be honest. List style. That is for... So all of these are in an unordered list. If I didn't do that, they'd be more like this. They'd be vertical. So with the list style, they are horizontal. Honestly, this also is part of the whole horizontal part. But a lot of this was trying to make all these buttons centered up here. And I don't know exactly what made it work, but something in like these two things made it work. But let's see. So float something to the left. Width sets the width to something. Height sets the height. Line height makes the text bigger. The text align centers the text. The font size sets the size of the font. And I don't know what line height actually does. I'll be honest, I don't know what a lot of these things do. Yeah. Anyway, this sets the link. Text decoration is none. If I bring this back down, all of these are links. As you can see, they changed the page. Normally, a link looks like this. So that went away. So the here it sets the color to gray. Text decoration means it's not going to be underlined. There's a lot of things that can be done with. Display puts the whole like text in a block. Display block at least. Font weight makes it bold. Obviously it says bold. Then when you hover over one of those links, it changes the background color and then changes the text color. That's what the color does. It essentially just inverts these. Yeah. Essentially, that's what that does. Just inverts the text in the font. In fact, I'll show you that. It's up here. So right now they're gray with an orange background. Now it's orange with a gray background. Essentially what it does. Then we got the that I kind of just ignore. Again, you've seen the display stuff. The margin top sets the top to 100 pixels, or the margin on the top. Content, the stash content, sets the border style to solid. That would be this area here. It sets the border to solid. The margin on the left to 500 pixels, the margin on the right to 500 pixels, and then the text aligned center. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. That's not really important. Not really important. Alright, this text shadow is what makes this text here have this orange background color. The iframe, that is the I'm not actually sure. We'll skip that. Second navigation is for on the materials page and the tools and things like that. It just is that secondary nav. It's like so transform is what rotates it. Height, margin left, margin top. You've seen those already. That's all. It's not new. I don't know what. I might have gotten rid of what these were used for. Yeah, all this is kind of void now. I don't really need it. That is for the images in the supplies and the tools and material. That just makes all these images the same size. And then body header, and these are for something. I think it's fairly recent. I don't really care. But yeah, that is going to do it for the CSS page, and this is going to do it for this project. It's more of a demonstration because I didn't do anything of this on camera. Now that I've done this on camera, or I've done this, I could do it on camera, and maybe the next project I will. But for the time being, this takes a lot of hassle off my back because this is a somewhat of pain to record, especially if I wanted to do face cams. But yeah, that is going to do it for this video, guys. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, at the bottom right corner of the screen, there's a button that says subscribe. I want you to press that, and to help with that, I also want you to press the bell icon right next to that to the right. It will let you know when I've uploaded a new video. Now below both of those are the like and the dislike button. I want you to give one of them a press, preferably the like button, to let me know if I'm doing a good job or not. And then to enforce the like or dislike, I want you to leave a comment telling me what needs to be improved on or what's already perfect and what I shouldn't change. And tell me also if you're excited, like, hey, I kind of finished the first project. And then the last thing I'm going to ask you to do is I want you to go back up by the subscribe button, and there's a button that says share. I want you to press that and get my name out into the YouTube. So if you have a friend who's interested in HTML and CSS, let them know by using the share button, of course. And then that is going to do it. So until next time, I'll see you guys then. Goodbye. Where's the... There it is.